Hello, beautiful people. Tarina here with another video. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday about luxury unboxings, reviews, travel, and lifestyle. So if you like that type of content, come join our LuxHandbagLover family and hit that like button down below. Also, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. I also post every day here on my Instagram, so I'd love to be friends. Come find me. I'd love to see what you're up to as well. Today, I want to do a really exciting Chanel unboxing of a new piece that I purchased from the Chanel 20A Metiers D'art. Excuse my French pronunciation, but the Metiers D'art 20A collection. So I'm super excited to share what I got with all of you today. Before I get into the unboxing, I do want to share that my giveaway is still open. So don't forget, if you haven't already entered to win this really gorgeous Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch, go ahead and watch my giveaway video. I will link it up here for you to check out. Thank you to everyone who has already entered. I am, looking at the reviews and comments and curating the Excel spreadsheet and super excited to give this away to one of you. And finally, before I get into the video, thank you so much to each and every person who has participated in my luxury this or that tag. It's been super exciting and super fun to see each of your takes on this video, all of your preferences. I'm definitely learning a lot about each of you, my luxury friends, and what your preferences are and your style. So thank you again. It's been really, really fun. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here as well. I am also curating a list of everyone who has participated. So if you want to check out or meet other Lux lovers in the community or, just discover new channels, definitely head over to that video. Check out the description box, and I am linking those lovely people and their videos as well. Okay, so let's get into the video. I have, as I mentioned, a Chanel unboxing. So I wanted to share what I purchased. So I know that, the 20A collection has been very, very popular. It's been awesome to see all the pieces that people have purchased. I know that the rainbow reissue bag has been super popular and a big hit. So it's been great to see, everyone unbox that. So I saw this item from that 20A Metiers D'art collection, and I reached out to my essay, and I was super excited that she had this in stock. So let's go ahead. I just took out the box. You can see here in the very middle, this is my receipt. So it just comes in this really, little sleeve. It has the camellia towards the top, and then you can see there's a receipt here. This is kind of my proof of purchase. So that's just paperwork. And I love Chanel packaging. It's super crisp, classic, and gorgeous in the black box. The white ribbon that says Chanel all over it. It is super cute. And then of course the signature camellia. So let's just get into it, and I'll share a little bit more once we get it open. So let's undo this. It's always so cute the way that they package this as well. It's always hard to recreate it. So, okay, let's get this open. I'm really excited to see what all of your thoughts are about this piece. Okay, so that was the ribbon with the camellia. Just untied that there. It comes in this black box with the Chanel logo there. Any guesses? All right, before I unbox, go ahead and write a comment down below. Any guesses of what you think I purchased? I'd love to see what your guesses are. Okay. without further ado, it comes in this really cute little pouch to reveal. Oh, it's in some packaging. Oh, they packaged this really great. Okay, let's take it out so we can show all of you. Oh my gosh. So I purchased a belt. So I'm going to put this little pouch so you can see it here. Oh my gosh. So it's really, really cute. It comes in this gold CC buckle. And it's just a black leather belt. And it's in that signature gold that's very popular for this 20A Metiers D'art collection. I will also include some modeling shots so you can take a look at what this looks like on me. It is super, super cute. I'm really all about Chanel belts. So this one is really, really cute. Like I said, just a very classic black leather belt. And it comes in that really classic gold buckle. So I am super, super excited. I actually have one other Chanel belt, so I brought it down here for comparison. So the one that I already have is this one, and it matches a brooch that I have. But as you can see, this buckle, this belt that I have is more silver toned. So the CCs are silver in color. I love this belt. This belt has been tried and true. I love it. So when I saw this one come out for 20A in the gold, more of the yellow gold, I just had to have it. It was super, super cute. So let's see if you can see the comparison here. Again, I will include some more photos, more close-ups, but just to kind of show a comparison of the color. There we go, against my black shirt. So this one is more of that silver toned. This one is a yellow gold. So I'm excited to have both type of hardwares now. Again, typically I'm not someone who's super fussy about matching or mixing metals, but I think it is cool to have both a silver and a gold buckle. The gold, like I said, it's in that very yellow gold. So I think this is really great for me to match whenever I have my, classic, this is my Chanel classic flap in the black caviar leather with the gold hardware. And so the gold really, matches that gold in terms of the shade of that, more of that yellow. So I'm super excited to add this piece to my collection. What do you think of Chanel belts? Is that something that you would ever purchase? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. So really, really exciting. In terms of sizing, the size that I got and purchased, this is an 85. So when I talked to my essay, she had both the 80 and the 85. My other belt is also an 85. And I honestly feel that the 80 would be, would also be great, but it depends. I like to wear my belts sometimes really low, sometimes more high, or right on the waist. So I would always rather purchase, especially if it's a leather belt, a belt that is larger in size, and you can always get additional holes punched into the leather. I even talked to my essay about that. I said, hey, and for reference in terms of sizing, in US kind of jean sizing, I am a size 4. So that's, I spoke to my essay. She said, yeah, I think the 85 would be good for you, or that's what I think in terms of sizing. So again, I'd always rather go for the 85, and if I need to punch another hole, she said, yeah, it's super easy with it being a leather belt. You can definitely do that. But if you get something too small or you want to wear it lower, you can't add more to the belt. So that's just my perspective and why I went for the size 85. It is super, super cute. Like I said, I'm just excited that I was able to score this piece. I know this logo, this gold logo from the 20A Metiers D'art has been very, very popular. People have bought it in the brooches, jewelry, necklaces. So, you know, I do love Chanel jewelry. I am wearing my CC earrings today, but I am trying to steer away from, you know, more of the costume jewelry and investing more into fine jewelry. Again, I think Chanel jewelry is gorgeous, and I'm not gonna say and sit here and say that I'm never gonna purchase anymore because they are definitely drop dead gorgeous. But in terms of a piece for me personally and what I think works for my closet and style, I wanted to add something with that awesome gold CC from the 20A, but I think this gold belt is definitely more of my style, more my speed. You can wear it, I think, in many different ways. So, you know, today I'm just wearing an all kind of dark black outfit, definitely with the jeans and your blouse tucked in. That's kind of a really easy, cute way to jazz up your outfit. So definitely with jeans, you can wear it with skirts. Also in the fall winter, which is the season that we're coming up to here pretty quickly. If you have a big coat or a sweater, you know, you can just kind of tie it around and add some bling, a little bit of Chanel there to your outfit. So I think if you're looking into a belt or if you're kind of debating, I highly recommend. I love the Chanel belts. They're really good quality, and I definitely think they stand the test of time. I don't see a ton of people wearing Chanel belts, so I also kind of like that it's a little different, you know, a cool different piece. So that's what I purchased. That's my 20A Metiers D'art purchase from Chanel. So that was my Chanel unboxing from the 20A Metiers D'art collection. Let me know what you think of my new purchase. Are you someone who would invest in a luxury belt? Yes or no? I'd love to hear both perspectives down in the comment section down below. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will also link to another video here for you to check out. Thanks so much and have a great day.